Hi everyone. Well, round two. So I shoveled the deck this morning. Here I am wading through the deck. I also swept off our truck this morning. Not pretty. Not pretty out here. This is our driveway I'm wading through. Good day to make snow angels and light a fire and drink some beer, I think. So, guys that made it to work, congratulations. Hi, Sam, how are you? Lucky you are where you are right now. Hi, Leslie. So, today, I think, is going to be a day of digging out, sweeping off, and maybe relaxing. Haven't quite decided how much digging I'll do, but man, when it decided to start snowing, it really decided to snow. Anyway, guys, I'm glad we picked up beer yesterday. So here I am. I think this is a good workout, trying to wade through my driveway. And I'm not to the end yet. I don't know if you can see that or not. But, oh, thanks, Leslie. I bet you are, Samantha. Wish I was there with you. Already got beer. Stopped yesterday. Okay. The plow did finally make it by. So this is the end of our laneway. I know I'm not very tall, but it's up to my knees. I may not be very tall, but it's up to my knees anyway. Thank goodness we have four-wheel drive, but even our truck will be dragging on the ground in here. Oh, wow. Somebody's braving it. They're braver than me. Look like they got roll bars. Anyway, guys, thought I'd let you know what it's doing out here towards Wyerton. Have a good day. Stay warm.